AI agents in science. Imagine science like a tree, where each scientific publication is a leaf on this tree. So it's a massive tree of 100 million leaves. And each leaf is some sort of scientific paper data point. Our understanding of reality comes from this tree. By connecting the dots of different leaves, you get a picture like, aha, maybe this is how reality works. You connect different data points. Now I think we haven't connected all the dots on our existing 100 million tree. And all these 100 million data points, it's too much for a human to connect. We probably have a lot of low-hanging fruit hanging in that tree. By connecting maybe two different fields, you could use the ideas of this field in that field. I think there's a lot of low-hanging fruit. And I think AI agents are a great tool to access this tree of knowledge. It's very early, because AI agents are in some ways PhD level, and in some ways they're really stupid at the same time. So you really need to think how you do this. But for example, you could pick different fields and try to compare the main ideas and see if they are complementary, or if you can use the main ideas of this field to solve open problems in other fields. I think it will cost to the tune of $10,000 to really read the full context of each research papers, of a million research papers, if I remember correctly. The one problem is that these research papers are paywalled by 4 or 5, like these major publishers in science control the papers. They are making profits. They're private companies making profit off science. So if you want to access these papers, it costs money. If you want to publish with these publishers, it costs money. And even worse, if you want to use a big AI model to train on 10 million research papers, the model itself costs 10,000. But to access all the papers would cost to the tune of hundreds of thousands, even millions. It's a fucking cartel. It's a scientific cartel of who can access papers. And that is such a shame for humanity, because science, it's a mess. Science is publicly funded. It's publicly funded by the people, should be accessible by the people. I don't know why we've allowed these private companies to make profits of science. I don't see much value they are adding. They are, at least for me, it's a major hurdle for science.